Hey everyone, this week's review is the new BMW M4 by Top Speed. You know, the new M3 and M4 have been controversial for semi-obvious reasons coming at you. The big nostrils, which, you know, the more I see it, the more I'm getting used to it, but it doesn't mean I like it. This is by Top Speed, so this is sealed resin. We do have non-open mesh. A little disappointing. The color is Sao Paulo green or yellow. I forget if it's considered green or yellow. It's kind of like highlighter yellow, if you ask me. But this is an M4 competition. Platform code now is G82. 82 is the coupe. 80 is the M3 sedan. You know, it gets all this flack for the front, and I'm not a fan of the back. You see this bustle bumper thing? It's like it comes out so much. I'm not really a fan of the back either. I was in the market for a car like this, the M3, and I chose the Blackwing because I can't get over how these look. Also, when you get the competition package like this, it deletes the manual transmission. So if you want a competition or a X-Drive competition, which is the all-wheel drive, you get an automatic only. Now this does show the optional M-carbon buckets. You can tell by kind of the holes in the seats. Very interesting interior colors. You have simulated carbon fiber roof. A little bit of dust. It wouldn't be my car if it didn't have dust on it, right? It's a little bit of dust, but yeah, simulated carbon fiber. There's a lot of competition with this car. GT Spirit makes the exact same color, different color wheels. Mini Champs is going to do a fully opening model for a couple $100. This retails for about $150. It is on sale right now at Replicars and Wholesale Model Direct. I paid $89, but 10% off with coupon code NEXT at Diecast Wholesale. So $80 at that price. I'm not mad at it. One of $9.99. It does not give you the number. Wheels and tires, pretty good. You know, the real car would have the S58 3-liter twin-turbo 6, rated at 503 horsepower, and seriously underrated in competition, guys, and 473 in the base car. So you have to decide how much is the opening diecast worth it to you. Is it worth 2 to 3 times as much as getting this for $80? I think it's a pretty decent model. I think the overall quality is not quite up to GT Spirit. The gaps and things like that aren't as good, and hopefully GT Spirit does do open mesh there. In terms of packaging, boring old black Top Speed box. I don't know why they're so wide. I'm trying to remember if it had a base or not, which I'd rather they didn't, because a lot of people don't display with that kind of stuff, so I'd rather not, but whatever. Again, at the price, I'm happy with it. Remember, if you do go to Wholesale Diecast, use coupon code NEXT. It is still there. There's a couple different colors. There's the M3, all for I think $89, and again, 10% off, coupon code NEXT. That's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.